Sin has now become an obstruction of a proper view of God. Because before this moment, they were living in prosperity and with plenty. God was good, but the moment that they disobeyed, it wasn't all good anymore. And we deal with that psychological implication today when we mess up. We get afraid and we try to cover our tracks and we lie. We aren't forthcoming, we aren't truthful. We try to cover up our ego from being bruised. We try to cover our logic with some sort of justification. And this is the curse of sin that we are having to deal with. Sin and shame that come from violating the law. Sin and shame that come from violating the law. Sin and shame that come from violating boundaries. Sin and shame that come from violating the ways of God. Sin and shame that come from ignoring the word of God, the word of the King. But since the beginning, Christ was the answer.